CMF Headphones Pro better than Soundcore Space One, or Soundcore Space One better than the Headphones Pro? But these two, they're so similar. Let's check it out. Let's start with price, because I know y'all want to hear about the price. $99 for each, and you can get them both on sale at pretty much any time. The Headphones Pro normally go for around $79, which is a good buy for these headphones. Design wise, very similar. The top of the headband here, pretty much the same design. I do like this better, the head adjustment. This hard plastic here, it looks cooler and it's more durable in my opinion. The cushions on these headphones are softer. I like that for the Headphones Pro. The functionality of how you control the headphones is very similar to the Space One, as in they both have buttons on each side. I just think the Headphones Pro is a little bit extra with the little rotary dial and the sliding button for the bass and all that stuff. That's not really necessary in my opinion to kind of have all that functionality. I like the Soundcore's approach of just having the buttons, but you can go into the app and kind of make your adjustments where you need to make those adjustments. So been using both. I don't dislike them, but I just feel like it's just a bit much. Now, where the Soundcore just blows these out of the water is on flexibility. These headphones are far from flexible. If you're looking for something to fold up in your bag, Soundcore is going to be the way to go. These don't really fold up. They do rotate though, but they don't fold up. So comfort wise, I'm going to go with these because they just feel good on the ears. And CMF by nothing here, they got that part right. They really did. And you can take the cups off. You can take the cups off, which is nice. It's just a simple twist and they pop right off of there. That was real time. I just did it and they go back on. Keep in mind the one that say right and left, you can mix those up. If you take them both off and you happen to mix them up, you need to remember which one it goes on, because yeah, you can't mix that up. But overall, both of them are good headphones. Now, when it comes to the app, I'm gonna give that to Soundcore. It's just more functionality. The functionality is usable functionality too. So Soundcore has them beat, in my opinion, on the app. But when it comes to functionality and features, going into the features now, Soundcore is ahead of them again. I felt like they dropped the ball when it came to features. No USB audio. The Soundcore doesn't have it either, but it does have wear detection. Why did this not get wear detection? I don't know. I know some people don't care about that feature, but being that it's the same price and these recently came out, these been out for at least 2 years now, they should have had that. But I know what you're thinking. You're like, Dave, we need to hear how it sounds against the Space One, and I got that for you. So let's check it out.
Dangerous, the way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind, see you running back. I'm with you till I DIE, baby, you could be my dirty Diana. You don't want the only one that you really a fan of. Tell them other boys beat it. You are not alone, I'll be that long as you need it. So undefeated, you know why? Kiss but never tell, oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor.
So if you found any value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are going with the Headphones Pro, these ear cups, you can swap them out and you can buy additional ear cups of different colors and put them on here, which is pretty cool. And I'll put the price there on the screen so you can check that out. Now, the sound test. Which ones sound better? In my opinion, I might be a little biased because I've had the Soundcore for a while, but I'm gonna still go with Soundcore on this. Although I feel like the Headphones Pro don't really sound that bad. And of course, you can EQ both of these to your liking, so always keep that in mind. For my tests, I use the presets because it's just easier for me. So y'all gotta let me know what y'all think, all right? And let me know what you want to see next as well. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.